up guys? So for today's video guys, continue tayo sa pag-racking this crane. Ito guys, this is crane number 2. Racking test natin guys. Now going to minimum voltage. Guys, is minimum outreach to the forward side. So back of the crane lang ang kukunin nito guys. Back of the crane ang kukunin na measurement. So position J is going to forward. Measurement dito, minimum outreach is from the back of the crane. So in-expect natin dito na mas maliit yung mas mababa yung clearance dito na position. So position ito is letter C. Hanggang mag-units yun. Natin ang measurement sa loob. Yan yung back of the crane, tapos ito yung front. Ngayon minimum outreach sa letter C lang, back of the crane, dyan lang sukatin. Yan sukat yan. So ito yung letter C sa back of the crane. So, nasugatan na yung minimum outreach guys. Ngayon, boom down namin siya to maximum outreach ng J. So, sukatan natin guys ng maximum outreach sa front at sa back of the crane. Yan yung letter B, back of the crane, maximum outreach. Talingi check. Talingi dia. Instead get.
Clean off.
Ay, takal ba? Oh, 302.7.
The frame.
Nakabila na. Right. 301.5. Yung front. Ang front, mababa na talaga.
Ikot na. Ikot.
So here is the result of our rocking test, guys. Our crane is I know, and the important criteria here, guys, is that if B minus C equals 0 or negative, the measurement is wrong. So as you can see, guys, A is front of the crane and B is back of the crane, in which the jib at maximum outreach. At minimum outreach, guys, it is C, in which we only measure at the back of the crane. So in our case, our B minus C is 1.5 something, 1.6, 1.5, 1.6. So that's okay, it's all positive. Because if it's negative, that means that's wrong. And if B minus A is greater than 7 mm, then the crane must not be used. So what does it mean, guys? The clearance in which the maximum outreach at the back of the crane is always higher than that of the front of the crane. The back of the crane at minimum outreach is, the clearance is lesser than the back of the crane. So that's the criteria, guys, in rocking test, clearance of the crane. So that's it, guys.